Welcome back! This is part 3 of our Jira Admin Essentials tour. In this video we are focusing on space configuration basics, like work item types, schemes and workflows. Hey, my name is Marvin and I'm working as a technical support engineer in DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time, I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights, 'cause when it's game time.
So, I already mentioned what we are talking today, and let's have a look at the space settings for our demo instance here. So we have this demo space open, we'll click on the 3 dots and go to space settings. So most day-to-day administration will happen inside a space. Go to the detailed settings and here you can change the name. You will also get the space key, which is relevant if you are doing some JQL search or other database actions later. You can also change the team type or choose a category for this space, and you could change the space owner. So simple but important stuff here. You can also change the icon or avatar, which will be visible to other users, maybe to identify or to see the space later. Now we will move on and go to the request management and work item types. And collapse this request management and go to work item types. Take a while, but now you can see it. Work item types define what work items looks like in the space. Here you can see like epic, story, tasks, bug and more. And yes, you can create custom work types for your organization. For example, call something like a change request or support ticket. So to show you how to create a work item type. There are different ways to go there. One or the fastest one would be to use this administration panel and just go to work items here. And here you will have this work types and you could add a work type. You would give it a name and you can already choose a work type scheme. About scheme we will talk later. That's all to know how to create a work type. And let's switch to screens. So the key concept in screen or scheme is a collection of work item types assigned to a space. So that means different spaces can show different work item types. A software space can focus on epics and stories, while a support space can focus on incident and requests. So the benefit is fewer options, less confusion and a cleaner reporting. Let me show you the screens. As always, there are different ways to go there. Just go to the space settings and we have this request management still open, and here we have the screens. So these are the screens which are added per default or added later for this space. Now let's go on to workflows. Workflows define how an work item moves through statuses, like from to do, in progress to done. So I guess the easiest thing would be to just show you one example workflow. If I go here to our workflow and just click on edit workflow, a new screen will open, and here you have a kind of drag and drop UI where you could change all statuses. And here you could decide what would happen after to do or when a ticket or work item is done. So different work item types can have different workflows. So a bug might have extra steps like quality or ready for release, while a task stays simple. The important admin idea is spaces don't own workflows directly. They use workflow schemes. So when you change a workflow scheme, you might impact multiple spaces. So always check where it is used before editing. In part 4, we will cover the other half, like fields, screens and permissions. The things that control what users see and what they're allowed to do. See you in our next part and episode. Bye.
This is my time, I'm on the rise, can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time, ready to shine.